In this video, we are going to learn how to create a Facebook email scraper software. Now, we can use AI to build this software. What this software does is that you can use it to get email leads from Facebook. And the leads, you can use it, you can now send bulk emails or bulk SMS to the email address or to the text. Or you can use the leads on your Facebook marketing advert. You can use it on Instagram advert where you can now target Facebook user easily. Now, before we create this software, let's see practical demonstration on how this software works before we use AI to create it. So for instance, now let's say we are looking at dentist in, let's say dentist in or in California. That's in USA. Let's say you want to do a business with dentists who resides in California, America, who are on Facebook. So automatically it's going to generate their email address for you. This is it. Now, if I should scroll up now, you see this now, it will now give you their name, their email address, their profile, their email address, and the rest. Are you getting it? So all I'll need to do here now is just to copy these emails. Once I copy it, I'll paste it on my email address. Automatically, I can now export it as a TXT file, or I will just export it as a CSV. So the information that you get now, you can now put it in your bulk email sender, or you can now save this email and upload it to Facebook, TikTok to do your advert and all that. So how do we create this email? How do we create this Facebook email extractor tool easily? All we need to do is to get a master prompt. Now, once you get this master prompt, the master prompt comes like this. Then the next thing you do, you go for a SaaS, that is a software and a website AI developing website tools. We have one, it is called lovelyboot.dev. Then we also have another one, it is called Google AI Studio. There are several you can use, but we highly recommend this for beginners, Google AI Studio. So what I'll do here now is just to go here, copy this prompt. Now, mind you, if you go to ChatGPT and you say, create a software for me, blah, 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 that does this, what it will give you is gibberish. You might not be able to achieve all. This prompt, what we've done is that we've done all the whole coding as a web developer, everything we need in these tools, all the whole functions in these tools and everything that generate, extract these things, the APIs and everything. We have embedded all of them into this master prompt. So all we need to do is just to copy and paste this master prompt. Or we'll just paste it here. Once we paste it here, we'll just click here on build. Are you saying it? We'll just click here on build. Once you click here on build, and then that's all. The software will start building it. So yeah, now I have clicked on build. So you can see now the software is now building. It's the AI software is now building the AI software is now building the entire software for us. Once it's done now, we'll just download the entire script that it gives us. We'll upload it on the hosting site and like that. Then you can now customize it. Like for instance, there are some basic things you can do. I can decide to now change the name, change the logo. I can now decide to make it a paid app and all that, where I can say, okay, it should allow people to extract just 20 emails. After 20, to take them to a payment page where they can pay with Stripe, with credit cards, where they can now pay with Naira, maybe through Seller or any of the payment platforms that we have. You understand? That's how you create the softwares and you make money doing it. But most importantly, you can now use it for yourself and all that. You get it. So now, how do we now get this master prompt? All you need to do is to click on the comment section. I'm going to paste a link that it will take you to where you can now join our AI software building community. When you join that community, we are not only giving you this master prompt, we are also going to give you master prompts that will teach you how to create bulk email sender, how to extract emails, and different things like that. So you can see now this is the raw form of it and all that. So we can just tweak it and start searching and like that. So you can change the colors. Like for instance, now I can start tweaking it. So when you join our community, we'll show you how you do all that. So I can just say, okay, change the software name, change the software, change the software name to change the software name to FB extractor or something or anything. Are you getting it? You see the way I'm doing it? I'll just tell the software to start generating, create the emails, and wherever using this master prompt. So once you are done now, or let me just even test it and see this one that we've done if it's working. So let me just say restaurants, get me restaurant leads in Lagos, Nigeria. Are you getting it? So let's say I want to do a business with restaurants owner. People have gone to restaurant and all that. So it will extract it. So you can see now this is their details exactly like the way it is and all that. Okay. So that's how you create this email extractor. So like as I said, in order for you to get this master prompt, all you need to do is you just go to the link that we are going to paste where it will now share in the description section of this video. It will now take you to our link where you join our AI master coding community. In that community, we'll give you the software for free and all that. Then lastly, you should always visit our blog touristcool.com where we share content, we give AI and all that. So we'll be teaching you a lot from it. So like I said, for you to get this master prompt, click on the link in anywhere in this video. It will now take you to where you are going to join our community that will teach you how to build this software with master prompt. Thank you.